Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Is it the programming guy? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find your phone contacts on Snapchat. Guys, it's actually very easy, so let's get started. First thing to do is of course open your Snapchat app and then head to your Snapchat profile. Now once you're here on your profile, you're going to have to click on settings at the top right corner of your screen, and then you have to scroll down to the privacy section. Now once you get to the privacy section, go ahead and select the contact syncing, and then you find this option right here. So if you haven't synced your contact on Snapchat before, you won't be able to check this box, because once you check this box, then your contacts are going to be synced on Snapchat, and then you can be able to find your contacts on Snapchat. But right now I can't be able to check this box, so I just have to go back to my profile and show you what you can do. Now once you're in your profile, you find this option right below your username that says find contacts on Snapchat. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on that, and then I'll click on the continue button, and now I'm going to click on the allow in order for Snapchat to access my contact. So from here now, I'm going to find the people who are on Snapchat right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding them up on Snapchat. And as you can see, it says added. So guys, this is how you can find your contacts on Snapchat. Hope this tip was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and of course subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.